Now on our pound odd, before you go, please don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe. By the way, I want you to subscribe. Now we can see it on our daily. Let's analyze it on our daily time frame. We can see that the day before yesterday and yesterday we had a bullish move. But the thing, I still possibly think that we would have a bullish move possibly today. And you know our price has even opened bullish. As you can see, our price has opened bullish. By the way, we have gone up to about 30 plus pips. That is about 37 pips, and we are still going to be going up before you actually have a drop. That is exactly what I see, because as you can see, we want to start trending up on our daily time frame. So let's mark here as our key area here. I'll mark here as our price possibly will be rejecting at this area here. So that is why I said possibly when we push this up, we see a reversal. Let's confirm it on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, our price is actually giving us an uptrend move. There's every possibility to see the reaction. As you can see a reaction here, as you can see some reaction around this our key area here, even this another one around this our key area here. We saw when we push this up, we saw a pullback, giving us a reaction. Also like a reaction here, you can see, you can consider it as a first breakout reaction. That is why I said we should still be going bullish until we hit our area here, which is about 1.75. Then possibly we can ask come down, break down, or continue going bullish. But if you have to take just this trade, I will advise you take your buy position right now and close it around 1.75. That should be giving us about 49 to 50 pips to grab. At least it is still okay for today only. I'm talking about today only. Then we can now see where our price will be moving and decide, we'll be able to know where to go or where not to go. But let's start and take our trade and close it around 1.77525. That is it for today. Thank you.